Wow. Can't even see my steps, guys. Where's my car, man? Typical Canadian winter? Not really. It's a storm, guys. Nuts. Need a bigger snowblower. Alright, here's a video of the front step. Check that out. A lot different than yesterday. All that snow yesterday is pretty much frozen. That's some hard snow right there. This is the aftermath, guys. I made a little trail on my sidewalk there. My little snow blower did the job though. All right, well, check it out, guys. A lot different than yesterday. Yeah, when you're in Canada, you have a snowstorm, you have to shovel it. If you don't, it's gonna get hard like that. A snow blower did this. Check it out. Little thing has some guts, man. Did all that work up there. Alright, guys, that's it. It's the aftermath, man. Snowstorm in Canada. This is the neighborhood, guys. Snow everywhere.